Hello my friend, today I'm not going to show you the house that's behind me because I got bigger news for you. If you need to fix your credit, there is a piece of legislation called the FCRA that protects you and helps you delete accounts that are keeping your credit score down, and your score can go up drastically so that you can buy what really matters in life, like the house of your dreams, your car, or start up your own business. Not only that, but I got bigger news for you. I finally found the very best credit repair company that will give you legitimate results that are extremely hard to get nowadays. Now, as you may well know, your credit score is one of the most valuable assets in your life. It is more valuable than cash, and believe it or not, it is more valuable than many college degrees out there. With a good credit score, they can give you a car, they can give you money to start your business, they can give you a house, and if you've never bought a house before, let me tell you, I sell houses for a living, and the biggest checks I've seen in my life have been from my clients that sold their homes. For example, if you buy a home right now, live in it for 5 years, you can sell it later for $50,000 profit, an $80,000 profit, $150,000 profits. Can you imagine what you can do with that money? But it all starts with your credit score. If you have a good credit score, the doors open to the greatest opportunities in life. Now, let's be honest. What normally happens is that we promise ourselves that we will finally fix our credit, but we never do. We say things like, I'll fix it in a year, I'll fix it later, but 2 years go by, 3 years go by, and we never fix our credit. And what's really happening is that we are wasting thousands and thousands of dollars. I'm gonna give you another example. In 2017, I bought this house for $200,000. 4 years later, in 2021, I sold it for $260,000, but they would have never given me the money to buy this house if I didn't have any credit. So every year that goes by and you don't fix your credit, you are losing thousands and thousands of dollars. What would happen if I didn't have good credit in 2017? Well, I couldn't have bought that house, and those $60,000 would have never been in my bank account today. I'm sure you're smart enough to understand how much you are losing for not fixing your credit. And this is just my example. I have clients that are selling their houses and getting $150,000 checks. One of them received a $195,000 check, and my most recent client just cashed $250,000 from the sale of his home. And all they had to do was have good credit to be able to use the bank's money. And I know that you have great potential, but the system keeps you down, and you shouldn't let it keep doing that to you. You know that having bad credit has been a burden. You know that every time you remember about your credit score, you feel that weight on your shoulders, and most painful, you also know that it's been humiliating not being able to buy a house, start up your business, or invest. But I believe in you. I believe that you have great potential and you can accomplish amazing things in your life. Now, there are many credit repair companies out there, but unfortunately, the majority of them are a fraud. And after the first or second consultation, they abandon us, and we end up in the same situation. I have been struggling with this for the past 3 years, trying to find a credit repair company well established, with great reputation, professionals, with the latest technology, and most importantly, that they listen to us and treat us like a customer and not just like a number. And thankfully, I have found it. This company is called the Credit Pros. You can call them directly right now in the button below, but do yourself a favor and take a screenshot right now so you don't lose the number. They not only have been in the industry for many years, but they are authorized to fix your credit in all 3 bureaus. They are also verified and certified by 12 financial regulatory institutions. And because of that, we can have peace of mind that our credit scores will improve drastically. So call the number right now for your free consultation. It doesn't cost you anything, and you can finally find out how long it will take for your credit score to go up and make the necessary plans to buy the house of your dreams or even start up a business, because everything starts with your credit score. score. Have you ever thought about how is it that businesses are able to make thousands of dollars every month? They do it with credit. Successful business people have started their success getting credits for their businesses, and all that is possible with good credit. Donald Trump got a 17 million loan and was able to grow it up to 2 billion, and his biggest projects were all financed. Steve Jobs, the creator of Apple, started his business in a garage with a $100,000 loan. Elon Musk, the founder of Tesla, was able to start making electric cars with a government loan he got back in 2008. All successful people have one thing in common. They all have great credit scores, and they all have used their credit to get wealthy. So every day that goes by and you don't fix your credit, you are losing a lot of money and you are losing great opportunities. If you had a good credit score, you would probably have a great business right now. You would probably have investments running. You would probably have already your house paid off, and the potential is limitless. But everything starts with you fixing your credit. So today, I'm inviting you to say enough is enough and start creating a successful financial life. Because remember, there is no successful people with bad credit. One of the prosperity secrets is your credit score. Nobody talks about this topic because they don't want you to know, but that's why I'm here, to give you all the advice necessary I have learned for you to accomplish your financial dreams. Now, your credit score will never move if you don't make a move. In the beginning of my real estate career, I attempted to help people fix their credit on their own so they could buy their home. But we never got anywhere because there are literally 1,000 things that need to get done if you want to fix your credit and you want your credit to go up. Right now, I am so excited about this great credit repair company because they are giants in their industry and they have certified agents waiting for your call and give you your first free consultation. They are very familiar with all the federal and state laws that protect you from predatory practices that keep your credit scores in the dungeon. Not only that, but they have options for every case. Like I said, they don't treat you like a number. They specialize in giving you a customized service, and the best of all is that you can consult right now for free. When I speak with this company about my clients, I try to joke around with them to see how serious they are about their work, but they always have behaved very professional and they take care of every customer very seriously. This company focuses so much on your satisfaction that I asked one of the executives if they could open up a phone line directly to the certified agents, and they said yes. So if you call this number, you won't have to wait in line for your turn. You don't have to press multiple extensions. This phone line goes directly to a certified credit repair agent that will answer all your questions, and most incredibly, the first consultation where you will find out exactly what you will have to do is free. So if you want to be financially free, financially successful, ask any rich people how they did it. And you will find out that everything starts with a good credit score. Your chance to fix your credit starts right now. So call the number below. Don't hesitate because I can't guarantee you will see this video again. And anyway, you will have to fix your credit sooner or later. So might as well call now, because if you don't, you may end up with an unreliable credit repair company. And believe me, even Google is shutting down many credit repair websites because of so much consumer fraud. If you call this number now, you will get direct access to a certified credit repair specialist. You will get years of experience. You will get a customized plan for your needs. You will be treated as a valued customer and not just like a number. The doors for your financial success start right now with this call. You might be thinking that you have to fix other stuff first, but the reality is that you are seeing this video for a reason, and that reason is that you need to fix your credit now. You will lift that burden that's been keeping you down all these years. You will eliminate the humiliation of not being able to buy a house, start up your business, invest. But thanks to you watching this video, you can break that curse right now by calling the number below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have a loved one, please share it, and I'll keep bringing you great companies we can rely on. Call the number below, and may God bless you.